How to create Zomato account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'll be guiding you on creating Zomato account. So the steps goes on. First of all, you need to install Zomato on your device. So head over to your respective app store and install it. After completely installing the app, click on the open button. Now first of all, it's going to ask you to access the location. So if you want to access or if you want to give permission, you could just do it only this time. And next, what you need is you have to sign in, right? So for this case, what I'm gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and continue with Google. You could also do it with your phone number or email address as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and select my email address, or I'm gonna select my Google account first thing. Now, moving on, it's gonna ask what's your name and what is your dietary preferences. So, I'm gonna go for the veg and where do you eat from? So, veg dishes from the restaurant, and then click on the done button. After which, you will then be taken to the next field, which gonna ask you to enable notification. If you want to do it so, then click on enable. If not, just tap on not now button. As soon as you click on this following option, you will then be taken to the next field where you need to go ahead and fill out your information. And basically, this way you'll have successfully created your Zomato account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.